Hello and welcome, crewmates. This is GFree, your cruise therapist, with your daily boarding call. Here's what you need to know for today, June 24, 2026. Guess who's making money in this economy? Carnival Cruise Line. Carnival Corporation reported record quarterly revenue, and about 93% of its remaining 2026 cruise capacity is already booked. That means no more sitting on the dock of the bay, waiting your tide to roll in and the prices to drop. You need to book now, otherwise you may actually find fewer cabin choices. Luxury cruising is also growing, with travelers looking for personalized services, wellness, culinary experiences, and immersive destination. Looking across the pond over in Europe, extreme heat is affecting parts of the UK, France, Spain, and Italy. If you're thinking about going there, you should consider checking out the rail schedule. Stay hydrated and allow extra time getting to the airports and cruise port. Here's some good news. No tropical cyclones development is expected in the Atlantic, Caribbean, or Gulf over the next 7 days. So you should have a smooth ride throughout your cruise voyage. Today's tip: the lowest price is not always the best value. Compare the full vacation cost before booking. Again, I'm GFree, your cruise therapist, and I hope you'll tune in for more cruise news, travel alerts, industry updates, and cruise therapy. Until our next therapy session, thanks for listening. Bye.